What we have here is a Honda EU 2000 generator and the WEN equivalent of it. And today is just a little noise test and a feature check. The Honda has all these goodies on it that you can do. And the WEN has pretty much exactly the same thing. Other than the noise comparison here that we're going to do, I don't really see any difference, except for the WEN has a gas gauge. I do like that. The Honda does not. So now I'm going to do the little noise comparison. I'll start the Honda first here. This is what the Honda sounds like with the noise control on, right up next to it, of course. And with it off, it sounds like that. Here it is again with the Eco on. And now I'll turn on the WEN. This is what the WEN sounds like with the Eco off. And now on. I think they sound pretty similar, personally. I bought the Honda before. Here they are side by side, both on. They're pretty close. I bought the Honda initially, and then I bought this one as another backup, and honestly I don't see enough difference to spend the money on the Honda. So hopefully this review has been helpful. Good luck in your decision.